Welcome back to our channel. Brief introduction to the 5-cent coin nickel in the United States. Overview of the 2000 nickel's place within American numismatics. The evolution of the nickel, origins of the 5-cent coin, the establishment of the U.S. Mint, and the creation of coinage. Early designs including the half-dime, introduction of the nickel, the Coinage Act of 1866, and the introduction of the nickel, historical context and public reception. Notable designs over time. Overview of major designs. For example, Liberty Head, Buffalo, Jefferson. Discussion of artistic influences and cultural implications. The 2000 nickel design. The Jefferson nickel, description of the most common design featuring Thomas Jefferson. Historical significance of Jefferson and his role in American history. The 2000 design variations. Details about the 2000 design featuring a new minting process. Discussion on the transition in designs, especially following the 1999 redesign. The Westward Journey Nickel Series minting process and specifications. Composition and characteristics. Specifications of the 2000 nickel: weight, diameter, metal composition. Minting process, how nickels are minted, including strikes and quality control. The cultural impact of the nickel in everyday life usage in commerce, gambling, and vending machines. The cultural significance of nickels in American society. Collectibility and numismatics, popularity among collectors. Value changes over time, including factors affecting collectibility. Historical context and significance. Events in 2000. Overview of key historical events occurring in the year 2000 that might influence coinage. The economic environment contributing to the value of coins. The nickel in popular culture. Appearances in films, literature, and other media. The symbolism of the nickel in American culture. Future of the 5-cent coin. Current discussions on coinage. Nationwide discussions about the viability of maintaining the nickel. Potential changes and predictions. Speculations regarding the future of the 5-cent denomination amidst digital currency trends. Conclusion. Summary of the nickel's historical significance. The enduring legacy of the 5-cent coin in American life and economy. References. Comprehensive list of books, articles, and online resources for further reading on numismatics and coin history. Overview of the 2000 5-cent coin. The 5-cent coin, commonly known as the nickel, has played a significant role in American currency since its introduction. The 2000 nickel is part of the Jefferson nickel series, recognized for its enduring design featuring Thomas Jefferson, the third President of the United States and principal author of the Declaration of Independence. In 2000, the U.S. Mint produced nickels under the Westward Journey series, which aimed to honor the exploration and expansion of the American frontier. The design from prior years remained a staple, depicting Jefferson on the obverse front and Monticello on the reverse back, symbolizing his legacy in American history. Over its history, the nickel has seen many changes in design and composition, reflecting broader economic and cultural trends. While initially made of silver, the nickel now consists mostly of nickel and copper, which has implications for its value and production costs. The year 2000 was an important transitional phase for currency as discussions of the digital economy began to emerge, posing questions about the future of physical coinage. Conclusion. The 2000 5-cent coin encapsulates not just a monetary value but a historical narrative. It serves as a reminder of the past and as a bridge to the evolving future of currency. Collectors and historians alike recognize its importance, ensuring that this small piece of metal retains its significance in American culture. This framework provides a detailed yet concise perspective on the history and significance of the 2000. Thanks for watching my videos, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.